Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to do some cloning with the RFID feature on the Flipper Zero. So here I have the Flipper Zero and I already actually cloned my apartment key. So if you go to, let me zoom in here, alright, RFID, and if I go to saved, I already have my apartment key there. Now in my apartment, basically if I lose the key, they charge you like 20 bucks. So I figured why not just kind of make several copies. So I'm not just going to do it the boring way and just have another tag. I actually have this little thing here. So I think it's called a Hesser. And with this, it's actually an RFID ring. So on this one, it shows double frequency. But what I'm concerned about here is the 125 kilohertz. So the T5577, that's just an emulator chip. That just means that you could you could write frequencies onto this chip. So 125 kilohertz is what the Flipper Zero uses. That's a low frequency kilohertz signal. So on here, I'm gonna take this out. It's actually a nice looking ring too. So what I want to do is, so again, I'm going to show you. So it's going to be RFID, and that first module here, the read, you could just use this to actually read the frequency. And once you read it, you can save it, or you could add it manually. Like I said, I already have it saved. So I'm going to go to saved, apartment, and then here we're just going to go ahead and write to it. So emulated is if I'm just going to carry around this Flipper Zero and just use this to open my access to my apartment. But the Flipper Zero is not really that practical to carry and super expensive, if I lose it. So I'm going to go ahead and take the ring. Hopefully this works first try. So we're going to go ahead and write. So it's going to start scanning for it. This one's going to be a little bit trickier because it's not like a flat proxy card. Right. Still searching for it. Should hear a beep once it actually writes to it. Oh, there we go. Success. All right, awesome. Great. Okay, cool. Well, hey, that actually wasn't that bad. So now I could go ahead, use my ring, go ahead, access my apartment, and nobody knows the difference. All right, great. Hope you like this video. Take care.